All right, continuing our stroll through key audit matters then and going concern. The second case, very similar to the first one, where going concern is appropriate again, so we think it's a going concern too, but we do think there's a material uncertainty, we do have major doubts, but we still think it's going concern. Now, normally, in the first case, we said that was adequately disclosed in the first case, and we said, so everything's pretty much okay then. But what if we don't think it's been adequately disclosed by management? Well, an inadequate disclosure is the same as an inadequate number. We would simply have to modify the opinion, probably an except for. So everything gives us a true and fair view, except for that disclosure about going concern, where we think it's inadequately disclosed. We do think it's a going concern, but not disclosed adequately. And so because you've got that, again, there is no need really for a key audit matter there. It will be in the basis of opinion, or be in the except for part.